Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unboxing for you. Now for those of you that have seen my setup video, you'll know that my camera setup doesn't allow me to get very much in the shot at one time. It's a good setup. I made it myself, but it means that I'm very restricted on how far I can zoom the camera out. So that's the best I can get, I'm afraid. So this is a box from the Royal Mint. I know that because I recognise the packaging. However, I haven't ordered anything over the last few days from the Royal Mint, so I can only guess that it's one of the coins that I'm subscribed to. So it's either going to be one of the Tudor Beasts or it's going to be one of the Harry Potter coins. So both really nice coins. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to try and unbox it from the bottom so I don't have to reveal my address details. That works quite well anyway. Well, there you go. So it's actually easier to unbox it from the bottom. Here we go. Doesn't give it away on this outer boxing. I really do like the packaging and the presentation that you get from the Royal Mint. I know there's quite a few quality control issues regarding the actual coins and the milk spotting, and there's a number of coins that I've sent back in the past because they haven't been up to scratch. However, the actual presentation and the packaging is always really good. Once they do get their quality control in check and their milk spotting procedures sorted, then they really will have the full package. So let's get into this box and see what we've got. Oh, here we go. So it's the second coin in the Harry Potter series. So you can see it says 2022 UK 1 ounce silver proof coin. It actually says Harry Potter on there, which is a bit strange because I've already had the Harry Potter coin. So have they sent me out the first one again by mistake? Not too sure. Yeah, so it looks like it's the Harry Potter coin. Do you know what? This is the 1 ounce coin. There we go. So the other one that I did an unboxing for is the Harry Potter 50p proof coin. So here we go. So this is the first in the series. Actually forgot about it. I thought the other video I did was the 1 ounce coin, but that was the actual 50p, wasn't it? Wow, look at that. So this one's not colorized like the 50p one, but look at that. Straight away, I think I actually prefer it over the colorized 50p. It says 25 years of magic along the bottom there. You got the stars. This thing here says 25 and it changes into the lightning bolt. It's hard to see on camera. I actually prefer this from the colorized one. I didn't think I'd say that because I really like the look of the colorized one. That looks really nice. Let's have a look at the certificate, see what number we got. So we got number 3290. I can't remember what the mintage was on these. Let's have a quick look. So it's 2022 UK 1 ounce silver proof coin. And the mintage on these is 15,000. So not a crazy high mintage for a Harry Potter coin, especially when these are, in my opinion, going to be very collectible, very sought after coins in the future, because two of the coins are going to have the Queen on them. The first two, there's a 4-coin series, so the first two are going to have the Queen on, and then the second two are going to be released next year, and they're going to have the King on the back. So it's going to be a really cool set. It's quite a small set, but because it's kind of got the Queen on 2 of them and the King on the other 2, I think that's going to make it such a nice collection. It's actually got writing around the edges there as well. It's hard to see, but it says Harry Potter around the edge, which is a really nice touch. So we've got Queen on the back there. Looks very, very good condition to me. I can't see any marks. A few bits that I've put on there from these gloves. I need to get a new pair of gloves, but the coin looks in pristine condition, which is nice to see. I'll have to obviously give it a closer inspection off camera, but that looks really nice. Really, really pleased with that. Just a gorgeous looking coin. What a great coin to add to the stack. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. And as always, I hope you have a nice day.